Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, as you can see from the title, I am doing another unboxing from Louis Vuitton, but it is not a purse. It's not a purse. I want to tell y'all, it is something that I stumbled upon when I got my purse. I don't know if you guys remember, but when I got my most recent Giant is the name of the collection, Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 30. I have to say it all correctly so you know it's a Speedy, it's a Bandolier size 30. The collection name is the Giant collection. That's because of the big LV, the Giant LV. But anyway, they had put in a perfume sample that I fell in love with. So I ordered the full size. And I don't know why I'm doing all these extravagances, y'all. I love the coloring on this. At first, I thought it was a takeoff on Hermes, and I was like so let down by Louis Vuitton that they would do that. But then someone told me that this orange with this blue was the original that Louis Vuitton originally came out with. So I feel like that this is just beautiful packaging, and now I'm going to just get to it. As usual, they have this little card that if you wanted to make this a gift, you don't even have to open it because it's nice. The reason for that is it's because it's so nicely packaged, you know, with such a pretty ribbon. I feel like I could tie a ribbon that good, but just in case. They make it where you could literally just fill out this card and you'd be done. But I'm going to undo the ribbon. If I wanted to, like I said, I could probably I could have just slid that off the end. But you know what? At this point, I got a lot of Louis Vuitton ribbons, and I'll just use this for something. I don't know what would you guys suggest, especially you crafters? What would you suggest I do with this? I know there's a gal on Etsy that she makes, she would take like from here to there, the two Louis Vuitton names. She cuts it at an angle and makes it on a gold gem clip or paper clip. She makes it a, what am I trying to say? Bookmark. What do you think of that? I think that's rather clever. I think I'll do it right now. Let's just do it. We'll cut it at an angle. And then I would imagine you'd want to put on some fray check just to make sure that, I don't know, this is, this ribbon is made of like a woven, I can't tell what. But anyway, so you would tie that on a gold paper clip and you have a bookmark. I'll leave it on a bookmark. Now I have two ribbons. So seriously, what would y'all suggest I do with this ribbon? What are you crafters? What would y'all suggest? So this is a magnetized box. So literally you just open it like that. And of course it has its little sticker on the top. And here is the box. Inside, okay, now this is interesting. It looks like something went right there. And I don't see that it fell out. So I wonder what that would have been. It looks like I'm missing something that I should have gotten. I wonder what it was, or if they just used this particular form for more than one item, but that's tacky. It's tacky that they have a cologne, perfume, or eau de toilette, or whatever it is that they sell, and they've got a placement for something else, but it's not in there. I'm going to call and say, hey, I was supposed to get something else from this, it looks like, and I didn't get it. Y'all are my witness. Okay, so this is what I got. I got Sun Song, and I'm looking very forward to how it's packaged. I think it's just a plain brown bottle, which isn't very interesting, and that's, believe it or not, this has nothing to do with this time the packaging. Nothing. I mean, it'd be nice if it was, but I fell in love with this scent. It smells like suntan lotion, kind of. No, it's better than suntan lotion. It smells like orange blossom, which is interesting because it's like a mango looking thing. Okay, so this is another, it's not magnetized, it's a fold up. And that's got a canister inside. Put this, I accidentally drop it. There we go. Okay, so the does it say the notes? Huh. It's completely nothing except where it was made. Alcohol, water, fragrance. Linalool, limonene, citral, citronol, BHT, geranol, ferrosol, tocopherol. I wonder if any of those are like damaging. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Just the only reason I say that is because the Food and Drug Administration, y'all, it does not regulate makeup, or I don't think it regulates perfume either. So you do kind of wonder what you get. But anyway. Oh, these, I don't know if you remember these earrings from like a billion years ago. I can't even remember, where did I get these? But I just decided I'd put them on today. I know it's a little overdressed. I was going to be doing my summer giveaway announcement, but I'm kind of tired, as you can tell. And I need energy for that, so there it is. Yeah, see, it's not brown, but it's like the yellow color. So I guess whatever the other colors are of the perfumes, this part would be that color, and then a black stopper. So does that come off? How neat. I was like, why is this pulling? That's magnetic. Watch. Has an LV on top. And where's the spray? There it is. Probably shouldn't put this on, but not right now because I'm fixing to go to bed. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. It smells like orange blossom. There is a little bit of an after sting to it, and that's the lemon. So it's like an orange blossom lemon. I don't know. Yeah, it's the lemon and the orange blossom are the two strong notes. Anyway, I do love it. Oh, I just noticed it does say Louis Vuitton right under Sun Song. I don't know if y'all can see that. I always like to put it next to my face so that you can also see. First of all, what a great job I did today on my eyelashes. This is the Chanel Inimitable Waterproof. I love it. I'm just kidding around. But also you can see the size. It is whatever milligrams. What is it? 3.4. So it's their large bottle. I think there's actually one larger. But anyway, this isn't much of an unboxing except that it was a perfume I thought I would share. Other than that, it's nothing particularly exciting. You always wonder when you unbox something, especially when it's a luxury brand, do you keep this or throw it away? I don't know. So I'm going to put that canister back in the box. I may keep it. I'm not going to sell this or re-gift it or anything like that. I just sometimes you wonder if you should keep these things for I don't know, posterity. Is that the word? Gosh, if it's not, I'm sorry. Anyway, that's it. I've even thought about, what if I took this ribbon and tied it around the bottle? What do y'all think of that? Let's see if I could tie a real pretty bow. That might be interesting. There. To where the Louis Vuitton comes around, I'll do a little bow. Let's just see how that looks. It may not look very good, so y'all forgive me. I'm not doing a very good job. There we go. Oh. Okay, so it's to show you, and it just came undone. There we go. I'm not good at this, y'all. There we go. I'm actually pretty good. Why am I saying I'm not good? I'm pretty good at tying a bow. I can tie a mean bow. Kind of like that. And then maybe trim this off. What do y'all think? I'm doing it. But I still want y'all to comment below and tell me what you think I should be doing with the rest of this Louis Vuitton bow. The first thing I did was use it. Use it. Let's put it, matter of fact, let's put it right at the front. And turn the LV around. Uh-oh. I think I got it a little too big. There. What do y'all think? Did it look cute or stupid? I'm going to leave it on there. I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I may trim it up a little more. Anyway, y'all comment below, what would you use this ribbon for? Because I still, after doing that, I still have another ribbon left. I'm trying to make it flop a little, you know? Like, I don't want it to, like that. Maybe that looks a little more authentic. What do y'all think? The bottle's kind of boring, but I think it wants to be boring. I do. I think it wants to be boring. Or she'll let that fall down like that. Maybe that would look better if I just let it fall down like that. It doesn't want to. Anyway. Tell me what to do with the ribbon. And I'll see y'all again soon. I'm very, very tired and it's late at night. So I'm going to let y'all go. And that's all that I have for you today. I'm going to go put this on my dressing table. And I will see y'all again soon. And I love you very much. Look at my eyelashes. That's Chanel Inevitable. Alright, love y'all. Going to bed. Hope y'all are going to bed and get some rest too. Love you. Bye. 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 Bye.